Hello everyone, welcome to the new lesson of data manipulation. So you have completed the lessons in data cleaning part and now you are going to start the data manipulation part. So in data manipulation, you will work with your data in some different way to make it easier for further analysis. For example, you may need to sort your data, you may need to filter your data as per some condition, or you may need to add some more variables or add some more data in your existing data. So these are some example work that is necessary to do in everyday data science work life. However, in this particular video, we are going to see how we can easily sort our data by any numerical values and can get some beautiful basic insights from the sorting of the data set. And yes, you can easily sort such data with the help of ChatGPT by generating simple Python code faster and easier way. So go to ChatGPT. So here you can see that I write, give me a Python code to sort a data set ascending by a numeric value. So you can sort your data set based on any numeric value either in ascending or descending format. Ascending refers to the format of sorting any data set from lower to higher order, and descending refers to sorting any dataset from higher to lower order. So we are going to sort our dataset by a numeric value in ascending or lower to higher order. Run the command. So here you can see the code. Definitely ChatGPT created a sample data by importing the pandas library, and we do not need this because we have done this task. We just now need this particular line of code to sort any dataset by any numeric values in ascending or descending format as per your want. As you can see, the code started with df underscore sorted, which is our variable name within which the sorted data frame by any numeric value in ascending format is stored. In the right side of the equal sign, you can see the code start with the df, which is the variable containing our data set and within which we can see that dot sort underscore values function is used to sort the data frames values. As you can see, within the brackets of sort underscore values is by, which includes the numeric value. In this particular case, the numeric value is age, and by these numeric values we are going to sort our data frame in ascending format. And we can see that the ascending and it's equal to true. If we put false instead of true, then it would be sorted in a descending format. So as we put true here, so it will be sorted in ascending format. That's all. You just need to copy the code, go to Jupyter Notebook and paste it here. Now we have to make some revisions as per our want. So we want to see the cost in ascending format. We can see the lowest cost at first and the highest cost at last. So we just we just need to change the age into cost and everything is fine. Just we can run our code. Now, if you call this particular variable within which we have loaded our sorted data, you can see that the costs values are in lower to higher order. You can see the first row include the lowest cost and the last row include the highest cost value. And you can see that the lowest cost belong to the games category product type and the highest cost belong to others product category, and the second most highest cost belong to the books category products. So this is how you can easily find out some comparison between any category, any nominal data as per some numeric data by sorting your dataset in ascending or descending format. That's all. Thank you.